Yo, oh my gosh, guys. We had to do an emergency stream. It is crazy. So I'm sure you're seeing what is happening right now. So we're going right into it. Guys, Bitcoin just broke to almost $40,000. It literally just took, I'm sure on other exchanges, if we go into trading view, it just hit pretty much over for it was about to get to 40,000. Let's see, on Binance it got to 39,700. On MEXC, it got to 39,900. This is insane, guys. This is insane. I want you guys shout out in the chat. Where are you making money right now? Let me know if you guys are catching this breakout. This is insane. I haven't even looked at my account. It's just crazy. I was like, okay, I'm just gonna make a video. I'm just gonna do a market update, and then right as I was about to just make a basic video, Bitcoin just started breaking out. So you see, this is on the actual 5-minute. So it just wicked up. Like someone put in some massive volume right here. You can see the volume went up insane. So let's just look and see what's going on. Like there's something happening in the news. Let me know, guys, if there's something that I missed. I was on vacation. If you're wondering where I was, I know one of the coins that I talk about, XYO, was pumping. And let's go to Morales Money and see what's going on. See what's in the list right now as Bitcoin is breaking out. We probably need to start taking some profits, take a little bit of profits. It did, so now it looks like it's getting rejected. Obviously, it pumped up all the way to 39,000, almost 40,000, and now we're seeing it. It's doing some interesting things right now. All right, so Ordi is obviously it's pumped 40% right now. We got Ruin 13%. Shout out to everyone who's watching in the chat. Let me see. We got 10 concurrent viewers. What's going on? What's going on, guys? Let me pop out the chat so I can make sure I can interact and say what's up. Make sure you say hello in the chat so I can see what's going on, see who it is, and hopefully my internet is nice to me. And I'm gonna disconnect all devices. Okay. All right. So let's get into it, guys. So right now, Bitcoin is sitting at just hit massive resistance. If we go, it's really interesting. I want to go into one of the charts that I had going, where I was looking at the wasn't this one? It was this one. It was the Bitcoin on Bitstamp. And if you can see here, this is the pattern that I've been drawing. I drew it here. I said, okay, look. There's going to be a breakout up to the upside, going up to 40,000 coming here soon, because we had 1, 2, 3 different rejections on 38,000. And then finally we started to sustain above 38,000 and we weren't getting rejected. So I was saying, okay, we're going to get only just a small dip that is going to be a little less than the ones in the previous dip. So you see here, we had right here an 8%. And then from here, we had, let me see, from this top here, we had 6%, so then it was a little less. And then from here, 5%. And then here, it was only 2%. So then naturally, we would see a breakup going right here. So let me know, guys, if you were seeing this same type of pattern. And this, if I had more money to not go to the vacation that I just went on, basically, Mickey wants you to pay up. Mickey wants you to pay up. He's like, you're gonna have to give me a leg. You're gonna have to give me a leg. Mickey always wants his money. So, all right, guys. So let's see what's happening with our trades here. Let's see how much we're in profit here. We have 4 positions open. Let's see. We got Sol is doing good. We have ETH and we have 2 BTC. We were in a Grok trade, but what ended up happening with the Grok trade, we got stomped out. And we'll go and look at Grok right now. Grok dropped a good 20%. And for some reason, let's see. I don't know why, but this is Let's. I might have to restart this. I might have to restart the internet here because it's going crazy. I just might have too many. I might have too many things open. Let's just let's close all this stuff. Hope you guys are doing well. Yo, what is going? Yo, Bjorn, before crypto, what is going on, brother? So we're looking at the market live here. I want you guys to say hello to Before Crypto. We did a video together. We talked about crypto gaming. Definitely one of the big narratives and things you guys got to look out for. So let me know if everything is sounding okay and if I'm not lagging. On my side, I keep dropping my kilobytes, my bit rate. It's kind of going all over the place. But let's see. I'm gonna do something real quick. Just bear with me, guys. I'm going to increase. 1, 2, 3. See if that helps. Okay. All right. Sounds great. Cool. All right. Awesome. All right. So let's look. All right. So Grok, you can see I made profit on Grok. I took profit multiple different points. You can see here. I'll even show you on the chart. Because I want to show you guys where I was actually getting entries, and probably have to go to the daily. I guess so. Yeah, I bought here. Well, it says I sold here, but it's not showing my buy order. Well, I bought somewhere at 1 cent. I bought somewhere at 1 cent, and then I sold here, sold up here, and then as well, I did a little bit of a buy order here because I thought it was going to break out, and it did not break out again. It actually dropped. And I did not have a stop loss set in because I was just sitting on just my just a base profit. So for me, I still made profit, but it would have been nice to be able to cash it out at half profit going down at a sell, a stop limit or stop loss. And I'm watching my kilobytes and it's going all over the place. Like I might see if Wi-Fi would be any better. Let's see. Let's see if that helps. But I'm wondering, so guys, let me know in the chat, is there something, well, I think obviously like with what we're looking at here, we know that the Bitcoin ETFs are kind of on the time frames of them being approved right now. We have to go to I can't remember where exactly this. It was the Bitcoin. To go Bitcoin ETF schedule. This one right here. So yeah, so if you look at this, the schedule right here, we have the dates that we're looking for is the Hashdex Bitcoin ETF and the Franklin Bitcoin ETF, and these approval dates, the third deadline, all in January, all on the date of the 15th. This is like iShares, Bitwise, Ark Invest, Kathy Wood. That's on the 10th. Final deadline is on the 10th. So this is going to be really interesting. This is going to be really interesting to see what happens. All right, so it's saying that I have no internet. This is crazy. This is crazy, guys. I don't know what is going on, but my internet loves doing this when I really want to get an awesome stream going. But hopefully, it bears with me because I just keep dropping kilobytes. I might just do this here. Let's do this. You might see me go away. All right. Hopefully that fixed it. All right. We are back. We are back, guys. I'm trying to work with my internet here. Smash up the likes. Stick with me. Stick with me to the very end.
We got 7 people in the stream right now. We had 10, probably dropping off a little bit just because I know sometimes it's hard to watch a stream when you got a little bit of technical difficulties. But if we smash up the likes and we get more people in here and pumped together. But what I was wanting to point out here, if we look at this chart, mainly if we look at this on the 4-hour, we can really see, and this is the best 4 you could ever draw on a chart. I drew this really fast, but look, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, there's that 4th rejection, but we rejected way above 38. We rejected here, so we're just going to clear this. We're going to do a little delete here. It's just not letting me do that. Okay. All right. Hopefully that fixed the stream, restarting my OBS. So we are looking like we are sitting really nice on this trend line here of tops. Oh, and thanks Bjorn for sharing the stream for me on x.com. That is most appreciated. And okay, so we're sitting, man, 39.6. But guys, I mean, on different exchanges, you hit different prices, and this one right here, yeah, we hit 39.9. That's insane. That's insane, guys. All right, so I need to see what my we're sitting at really nice profit. We're getting up to almost 1,000 profit for our particular BTC long, and then we've fully surpassed our goal of going over $1,000, starting with our initial 30. But we're trying to do this in a nice, slow, steady pace. We're not trying to risk too much because the market is super volatile. So in those cases, you want to be really careful, because just as this pumped, we could have been completely invalidated, and then what if Capo was right and we do dump, to a ridiculous level where we all get extremely faked out. But I just see that as not a likely scenario, given that we have things like this. We got all these different dates that we have to keep up with for the Bitcoin ETFs. A lot of money going into this. They can't keep spinning the wheel for very much longer. So sorry, guys. I hope the stream is still functional. I'm gonna check it on my phone, because my kilobytes are dropping to 50, to going to 64,000 bit rate, and going to 600. So I just feel like I don't want it to be all over the place for you guys, but hopefully it's not too bad. Let's see. Yeah, it's lagging so bad. Okay, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do this. Okay. Are we back? I think we are, yes. Okay, hopefully that did it. I had to completely restart my entire internet, turn off my router. All right, so reason why I'm on the Bitcoin ordinals page is because I love ordinals. I am not a maxi of any type. I support things that are cool, and so I love the ordinals wallet. This is they also, if you didn't know, you could do a Doge type ordinals experience, and right now
which is awesome. Let's see what the total. Oh, nice. So my total value in my Ordinals wallet has gone up substantially because I have a piece of the bitmap. Also have a space Pepe, and there's something else that I inscribed my name for my XBT address for Ordinals. So you could do danocrypto.xbt. If you wanted to send something to my Ordinals wallet using an Ordinals wallet, you can use this name address. Let me know, guys, if the stream is finally working. I think it's finally stable. It looks like it's stable. Looks like it's staying stable above 5,800 kilobytes bit rate. Awesome. Okay, so it looks like Bitcoin is trying to get back. So it rejected a little bit, and we can see here the reason why I have, if you want to, that was the tight ascending wedge. We broke out of that. Then we had kind of a bull flag. Then we had another tight ascending wedge coming from this. And this is why I feel like we had that momentum to be able to break out. Oh, don't tell me I'm lagging again. Oh my gosh, this is crazy. I'm about to just shut down my whole computer. I'm about to just shut the whole thing down. Craziness. All right, I need to check I'm just going to do this. Let's do it. Let's do an internet test. Speed test. Yeah, come on. This should be totally fine. Oh yeah, the upload is kind of garbage. Yeah. Something's up with that. Oh, you know what it is? I think I know what it is. Sometimes... Oh, you know what? Let's do this. Let's do this. Okay. Okay. All right. All right. All right. All right. This might do it. This might do it. We're gonna run the test again. Okay. All right, well, we're just going to keep it going. We're just going to keep it going, guys. All right, so. Uh-oh. Is Pepe's trending right now? All right, so the thing that I've been hearing a lot recently, a lot of big influencers are talking about how they want to sell some of their, not all their ETH, but they want to have a better chance of making life-changing gains. You know, this was something that Crypto Man ran. He talks about, you know, it's not to say that ETH doesn't have a chance. So yeah, ETH can go to 10K, cool. But that, in terms of making life-changing gains for someone who is poor, it's different for someone who's like has thousands to be able to either margin trade with, but for the average person who's someone who's DCAing, they're going to want to get into things that are riskier plays, not comparing Pepe to Solana, but just in the category of something that is going to move when the bull market really, really runs. And so we have to think about things like the top meme coins. We have to think about Solana. So I kind of agree with Ran in the terms of having Solana be something that can actually really, really move in the bull market, like in the peak bull market, because the price points of Solana and also the market cap, you got to think, okay, market cap, Ethereum, 258 billion, and then we got Solana at 26 billion. Imagine Solana if we see what was the market cap in terms of its high point, was at 72 billion. So if we see it at over 100 billion market cap valuation, and we have mainstream adoption, we could see it go over. We could see it at 500. It would be nice to see that at 500, because then my own personal, I don't have a lot of Solana DCA'd, but I am in a Solana trade. So in terms of wanting to keep that open, and I got into it at $35. So at this point, it's just a trade that I would love to just keep open for as long as I can. So I feel like, what's happening here is my internet is being complete garbage train. So I think I'm probably just going to I'm going to restart my computer and then see if I can sustain another stream, and I'll just come back in, because really I think we should stay live and see what's happening with Bitcoin, because really I think it's trying to break into 40 because it really didn't get rejected that hard. So we're going to see where it goes. But in the meantime, guys, just smash up the likes, and do me a favor, come into the next. We'll try and go low spec. We'll go a little bit more low spec and see if we can sustain a stream. Hopefully my internet will play nice. All right. I'll see you in the next one.